Global bourses and U.S. equity futures have paired overnight losses. Donald Trump claimed a shock victory in the U.S. presidential election on Wednesday. Risk aversion set in across equities, currencies, commodities, but volatility has eased off. On Tuesday, U.S. indices closed slightly higher on Election Day, led by gains in food, beverage, and tobacco, household and personal products, as well as the consumer services sectors. And in terms of economic data, the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index improved to 94.9 in October from 94.1 in the previous month. As for your advancers and decliners, 67% of the S&P 500 constituents traded higher yesterday. And in terms of after-hours market action, Concho Resources unveiled third-quarter diluted EPS of 38 cents versus EPS of $1.49 a year ago, with operating revenues down to $431 million from $463 million a year earlier. Separately, TripAdvisor posted third-quarter diluted EPS, which was lower by 27% year-over-year on revenue of $421 million, which missed forecasts. Net income declined by 26% year-over-year to $55 million. In terms of earnings on tap for today, we will be getting results out from NetEase after the market. Also, we will be getting results from Dish Network, Mylan, Viacom, and Norwegian Cruise Line. As for economic data today, expect September's final reading for wholesale inventories and also the month-to-month reading as well. In the overseas markets, following Donald Trump's election result, Asian markets plunged. The Nikkei was down over 5%, the Hang Seng down -2%, and South Korea's Kospi off over 2%. European indices are also losing ground in mid-week trade. As for the U.S. equity indices, for the S&P 500 on an intraday basis, the downside prevails. Trading Central analysts prefer short positions below 2104, with targets at 2029 and 1998 in extension. As for the Nasdaq and Dow Industrials on an intraday basis, both of the indexes are under pressure.